Change dice in Ludo King game, you have to first open the Ludo King. Here you find four options, right? Play online, play with friends, computer, and pass and play. So first I'll tell you how to change the shape of the dice, or how to get a beetle dice in Ludo King. So at the top you can see a crown. Underneath the crown there is a mobile phone. You have to click on that and you will find different stages here. So these are 9 stages here. Every stage has a different shape and theme and color of the dice. So if you clear stage by stage, there are different missions for a particular stage. So there is a theme of nature. So I have completed the missions for nature. So I have selected this theme and my dice is shape of a beetle. And after completing this stage, I have been to the Egypt stage. So the Egypt stage also has certain missions available. So this is a mission that I have to win 2 times continuously. So if I will be winning 2 times continuously, then I'll be getting a dice that is a shape of the Egypt theme, right, where you'll be getting the numeric numbers in that. So this was the way to change the shape of the dice. If you want to change the color of the dice, then you have to when you select play online and classic mode, then there are 4 color options available for you: blue, red, green, and yellow. And if you choose the color that you want your dice to be, so that particular color will be available for you to play the whole game, as well as the dice would be of the particular color, be it blue, red, green, or yellow. So this is a way by which you can change the shape as well as the color of your Ludo dice. Thanks for watching my video. Hey friends, if you enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like my channel. That is J with a double A, Jack of Trades, available on YouTube. You can go through many videos that I have made here that are available in the playlist, and you can pass your time by watching those fun-filled videos. Thank you so much friends, and have a great day. Bye.